Yo, welcome for the day 3, I think it's day 3, yes, of documenting my journey. What we'll talk about today, two things as usually, what I've done yesterday, and today I want to tell you about like my goals for this week. And I think like from now on, I will every week at the beginning of the week just tell you what's my goal of the week, and so you can see like what I'm doing to like achieve my goal. So yeah, today we're like Wednesday. I'm just like starting, so I'm doing this today, but like next week it's gonna be on Monday, and then on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, depending on when I will post the video, I will kind of like go back through the week, like see what I've done, what worked, what did not work, and all that stuff. So yeah, what I've done yesterday, it's pretty simple. I've made my videos, I've made my YouTube videos, I've made my TikTok videos, and then I spent like probably 5 hours, I think, just learning a lot of stuff about UI UX design, and mainly about Figma. So why we're doing this, that's pretty simple, because I want to get better on like UI UX design, and also I want to rebrand completely my app Auro. Always, the link is in the description. And yeah, for that I have a new design, so I still have some few things to do. So yeah, I want to get better at it, be able to like make my design by myself for my next applications. So that's why I'm spending that much time learning UI UX design, and I'm also learning like app marketing, but I will tell you about this like later. So yeah, what are my goals for this week? They are pretty simple. As I just told you, I got a new design for like Auro. Right now the application looks like this. Okay, it's in the other side like this, and I got a brand new design, so I want to implement all of this. And my goal for next week, I will tell you more about this like on Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, I will see. But my goal for next week will be to focus mainly on acquisition and marketing. And I think that for that, it will be better if I have the new version of the application. So the new design, a few new features. So what I've done in the past days, weeks, is like fixing bugs, refactoring the code so it's easier for me to implement new features. And now it will be like a UI refactoring. So it will be, I guess, faster. My goal is to finish that by the end of the week, so I can use that like next week. And yeah, so that's my goal for this week. So for this week, no acquisition, like no marketing, nothing. So it's okay if I don't get like more revenue, because like the end goal is to get revenue, of course. But like for now, it's okay if I don't get like more revenue, more downloads, because that's not my focus for this week. My focus for this week is like polishing the product, making something like way better, so then next week I can use that to yeah, focus on acquisition, marketing, and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty much it for today. As usually, if you have questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. And yeah, that's it. As always, again, if you like that video, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and all that stuff. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. I haven't talked a lot about like my other socials, but I will try to be like more active on Twitter, like to post a little bit more. So like, yeah, if you're interested about like getting updates like in a shorter way, so like tweets, you can just follow me on Twitter. The link will be in the description. And that's it for today. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Peace.